Hi everyone, my name is Matt, founder of Mattpedia. I'm 22 years old and I'm trying to build a 7-figure company while experiencing life. In this vlog, you'll see either work or fun, sometimes both. Minsan shoots, minsan travel, minsan realization sa buhay. And through videos, isasama ko kayo sa behind the scenes of the journey. The wins, the mess, and the lessons. Kasi to be honest, I'm just like you, still figuring things out. Showing up daily and trying to build something that matters. Again, my name is Matt, and let's grind together. Guys, pababa na tayo. Mimit na natin ng videographer natin for today. Kasi Pat, hihintay na siya sa lobby. Uy. So excited for today and hope na maging malupit ang araw na to. Yan, ito yung videographer natin for today. FEU talaga. FEU represent. So anong game plan? I mean,
Pwede kasi itong i-mount, friend.
gimbal yan, di ba?
Oo. Ito yung stand niya. Ngayon, hanap na lang tayo ng medyo mataas na lugar doon.
Oo, meron naman lamesa siguro dun.
Mamount sa camera.
Sige. Meron naman din ako diyang isang tripod. Kaso yung pang cellphone na maliit. Sakto lang. Gawin na lang natin paraan. Kaya pinaaga ko eh. Oh, Lotus de Catalonia. Ang hinirang na dorm. Wow! Ganda niyan, bro.
Ngayon, ang bala ko, ito na lang yung sa main cam.
Oh.
Gusto mo ito main cam natin.
Oo, mas okay nga yung main cam eh.
Ito sa busing to.
Di ba?
Wako na ano.
Okay. Ginagawa pa Lotus. Pabalikan ko yung video na yan after 2 years. Maganda na dito. 100,000 yun, ha?
Ay, sige.
Marketplace? Second hand? Ano?
Full frame na camera. Kinabangan. Ano sa 120?
Di ba?
Dapat sana talaga sasama na.
Ito, sama natin to next time.
Ay, pag ano ka na rin, boss, mat-media ka na rin.
Hindi, parang... Di ayaw ko, dito lang ako kay Bossing. Taga-tuloy ng gamit niya. Boss.
Next time, pag tapos ka mag-graduate, pre. Kunin ko na to dito. Yun guys, paalis na kami. Kaya isasama ka sa vlog. Kasi babalikan ko to. In the next 3 years.
Ay, grabe.
Yan, mga kasama namin dito. Kuya Roscar. You know? Ha? Oo. Yun yung hanap buhay natin. Tia Isa, thank you. Bye-bye. Let's go. Napakasipag, oh. Parang nagpapakitang gilas ka.
Ipapabango si Idol.
Nagpapabango eh. Para makuha eh.
May dala kang pabango. Flat.
Di ko nadala, pre. Oy, thank you.
Ingat.
Bye-bye. Doon kayo pinastop kuya ng InDrive.
Okay na, sir.
Okay na po. Thank you po.
Lang kayo.
Dalawa lang. So, meron tayong 3 camera. Tama.
Oo, meron. Dalawang 50.
M50?
Hindi, dalawang 50mm.
Ano yung isang camera natin?
Tingnan ko, bro. Pwede nating A64 camera ko, 800D.
So, ang 800D na lang yung nakaganon pwede.
Sa taas,
Oo. Kasi kailangan lang naman doon whiteboard.
Oo. Tapos, pwede nating pang close up yung R50.
Yun. Pwede.
Tapos main cam natin yung Sony.
Perfect.
Okay.
Ang problem ko lang sa whiteboard, sa pag naka-top view, 50mm kasi malapit eh. Hindi yun kakayanin.
Meron nung kit lens na 18 to 55.
Sige, check natin kung maganda.
Kaso, ano lang yun, aperture no? 4 lang.
4.5.
4.5 lang.
Sa akin din, yung kit lens ko.
Pag
Sige.
kung gusto mo, sa taas yung Sony.
Go.
Kaso pag
Mahalaga.
nahulog yun, bossing, medyo masyado.
Airbnb. Bango. Right. Okay, so maganda yung place. Pwede kami dito mag-set up ng camera. Pero ito yung gagamitin natin. Lamesa na to. Tapos yung room. Diba? Tapos CR. Okay. Okay din. Perfect dito, pre. I-set up natin dito, dyan. So, ayusin natin yung arrangement. Pero for now, pasok muna natin ito. Free din sa inyo. Na libre.
Meu Deus!
Sony a6400. And tatlong camera gagamitin namin. Isang 800D, isang R50 Canon, and isang Sony a6400 for our main cam. Yan. Wait nga, tignan ko kung kayang ganito. Possible. Pang wide eh.
Ito ba?
Hindi, talisin nga. Mag-arrange nga tayo eh.
Hindi na siya magsusunod.
Or ito na lang, may TV sa likod. Background lang. Kung ano. Tingin mo.
Ayun pala.
Ito yung pang panghigit. Yan. Ay, hindi, wag ko na nga yan. Update para mara.
Mas maganda pre.
Ito.
Ay, meron pala.
Sakto lang. Ay, na ganyan, no? Bale, kailangan malapit. So,
Ito, adjust ko naman.
yan, ganyan. So, baba mo pa. Sige. Check mo yung frame niya. Ngayon ko na narinig.
Okay, share ko sa iyo.
Pero,
Yun yung ginagamit namin bro. Like, for example,
ano siya? Hindi siya, ano?
Ginagamit yun for your clients. Like, for example,
Oo nga
ito, meron ako sasabihin, if you want to build a business, the reason why most people, tapos pause, di ba, ang ginagawa ng editor is, check,
Per ano?
Hindi,
per-
ito bro, accurate ba siya?
super accurate.
Kasi iba, hindi accurate.
Accurate bro.
Talaga?
Just make sure na yung yung voice is talagang loud and clear siya. Kasi makukuha siya ng AI tool siya eh.
Oo nga.
Makukuha siya ng AI na pag nagsasalita, pag walang sinasalita, yun, makakat.
Ayun yung makakat.
Tapos you can adjust yung sensitiveness niya ba?
So, premium na yun.
mga $25 a month. Okay
Not
lang.
bad.
Mga 1,300 gano'n per month.
Sige nga, sige.
Tapos
Capwing.
unlimited siya. Capwing,
CAP.
K-A-P-W-I-N-G.
Okay.
Yun din yung gamit ni Fibo eh.
Talaga.
Lahat ng videos niya, yung mga cut-cut, diretso na, isang click lang. Lahat bro.
Sige nga.
Kahit 4 na oras pa yung video bro. In just a click of a button, mariremove. So yung editor, makapag-focus na lang siya. Ano na yung i-edit, lagyan ng ano.
So,
It
kailangan...
would save a lot of time.
Okay.
Super.
Tingin. Putang ina, ang ganda bro. Si Boss Chris eh.
Ito nga lang bro.
Pero
Ano?
actually bro, nag-dead air din eh.
Sa mga script.
No, lipat natin yung laptop dito sa kabila.
Okay. Sige. So, dito na rin ito. Tapos dyan.
Isend mo sa ano love, sa Coke Zero.
Exciting.
Everybody, welcome to our first ever video that we're gonna be put out professionally on YouTube together with me, Matt Media.
Let's go.
Say hi to the video.
Hi, video.
Hey guys, you know what? Super excited. I don't know how it turns out, but just I'm really excited. I for sure I'll be surprised with the results later on. So yeah, stay tuned with our channel. Stay tuned with social media.
Ito na lang bro.
And
Ito na lang.
what I'm gonna be doing is, for sure, I'm gonna be giving you a lot of value inside this video. I'm gonna make sure that after this video, you will figure out how you can actually build a business that helps you generate at least ₱1 million a month. So if you're excited, drop in the comment section on the word excited, and see you in the video.
What's up?
Kunin muna namin yung Lala Move. Ano lang, Philippines. Lay down. Lang. Biscuit. Nang.
Yes sir.
Kanin. Wag gago. Wag. Ayan, nakuha na namin yung, ang tawag dyan? C-stand? C-stand and Magic Mic. Pala ng access card talaga. Hindi namin dinala. Na-excite ako sa sasabihin mo. Okay, comfy ka sa upuan. Parang nalalaglag no?
Oo, naglag. Pero okay naman.
Okay lang. Gusto mo pala natin?
Meron bang ano?
Meron mas matigas.
Wait. Ito lang.
Tingin mo.
Oo nga, parang mas...
Mas okay to?
Pero yung it doesn't matter, no?
Oo.
Hindi naman siya makita, no?
Hindi siya kita. So, in-arrange namin pala to lahat. Ito, nandito yan eh. So, talagang...
Mas okay to, brother. Mas okay to.
Di ba?
Oo.
Mas okay yan. Ito, first time namin gagamit ng ganito. Para dito talaga siya.
Saan ka kumuha ng mga ganyan, bro?
Sa
Film.
friend ko po.
Film to, di ba?
Pang film to. Mga ilaw, usually pang ilaw lang to.
Mm.
Kaso try natin sa camera.
Improvise.
Improvised.
Bakit anong struggle dito, bro?
Gaganon mo. Ito kasi parang may notes siya eh. So,
May notes ka pala.
Patong na lang dyan.
Hindi, ganun din.
is just a byproduct of your mindset, a byproduct of your discipline, and a byproduct of your habits. Money is actually a result of how much valuable you are in the market. Meaning, the more value you give, the more income you get, and the more money you make. Would you agree with me that
Yes, sir.
first time you get bro, may mga camera,
Masanay ka na, bro.
most business owners' problems is that they have low reviews, and that means most business owners they have low reviews in the business, and that means they have problem in becoming a top choice in the market. You could then offer on how to generate great reviews to every business that helps them become a top choice in the market. You see what I did here? I become very specific in finding a problem and creating a solution for that problem.
Let's go. Okay na?
Okay na?
Okay na, brother.
Yung-
Thank you. Very yung paus.
Talaga?
Very dry yung dito.
Pause ka na?
Oh.
Sige.
Parang mas nahirapan ako compared sa webinar.
Siyempre, ilang ang oras ka sa webinar?
Mga 1 hour 45, ganun. Pero diretso-diretso eh. Alam na alam ko yung ginagawa ko eh.
1 hour and 45.
Mga ganun. Including the pitch, 2 hours.
Okay.
Tapos na.
Yay! It's a wrap!
Thank you, team. The best.
Congrats.
Galing. Thank you very much.
Alright.
Sobrang lakas and very excited.
Bro, ganito na lang. Okay lang ba? Wala pa output pero okay lang manghingi ng testimonials kahit quick
Yeah,
lang.
of course.
Dito.
Definitely.
Ito. Kahit dito na lang.
Okay na lang.
Oh, okay na yan.
Para naka-mic na rin.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey everybody, my name is Chris Tew, and I'm here together with Matt Media, and I'm shooting this video because I want to tell you guys that I had an amazing results together with Matt Media and his team. Super seamless, super amazing. In fact, na-surprise ako together with my team because when we went here, everything was like, I don't know if makita sa camera, but everything was already prepared. And yung gagawin ko na lang is uupo na lang ako and just present myself. You know what? I've worked with other marketing agency. I don't want to mention any other brand, but you know what? Masa, ganito lang. You know what I mean? When I went here, everything is prepared. I just have to sit down, do the content, and more to that, they've even given me a script. They've given me a script. I just have to read, and then it feels so natural shooting the video. So anyway, the reason why I'm shooting this video for you, I don't usually do testimonials. I'm just really impressed with their team. So if you're somebody na you want to like level up your game, content creation, no doubt, Matt Media is the key. I'm not hyping you up, and I just speak based on experience. You know me. If you've been following me on social media, I just speak based on experience. So that's it. Thank you very much, Matt Media, your team. Hindi kami na-hassle with my team as well. And super excited kami guys to show you the actual result on social media. Give me a follow on YouTube at I am Chris Tew, Facebook at I am Chris Tew. I promise you, I'm gonna giving you a lot of value through the content that we are shooting in this setting.
Galing. Sanay na sanay sa testimonial.
Bongga.
Sinama pa yung script.
Showbiz din sumagot eh, no?
Bro, thank you so much.
Bro, of course. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Bro, lupit. Excited ako sa magiging kalalabasan nito. So much.
Actually, grabe no? Kanina, ano sa akin eh, parang very struggle sa akin kanina eh. Pero you guys made it, seamless experience actually na felt na prepared talaga.
Yeah.
Prepared talaga. There are two types of market eh. Those who are starting out and those people, or those business owners who are starting to scale. So of course, if you're somebody who's starting out a business, you need to do whatever it takes to do everything on your own. The very purpose of that is you want to learn how you do things. However, if you start making money, like you start generating money in your business and you're very hesitant in working with marketing agencies or content creation agency like Matt Media or whoever it is, right? I think you need to start reconsidering on working with people who can do things for you. Because in my case, just like in my case, I know that I'm good in things. I know that I'm good in doing service delivery to my clients, to the services that we do. However, I need to admit, I need to humble myself that I could not do things, everything on my own, right? You need a team to help you with that. And hiring somebody to do those things for you is like buying back your time. If you're a business owner, time is your greatest asset. Because money you could always create. You could also always make money whenever you have products or services to offer in the market, right? However, the time is something that you cannot get back. And that is why for me, working with people who could just accelerate everything, who could just help you with things that you couldn't do yourself, it would help you save money. It will always help you make more money by saving your time. Okay? Because the more time that you have, okay, the more you can buy back your time, the more you will have time to make a lot of money in your business.
Actually, yung sagot lang niya yung kailangan.
2 minutes.
Minutes. Sige, that's it.
Okay, brother. Thank you very much. Yung cheese buns para sa inyo. Galing yan, Antonio's, Tagaytay yan.
Kinikilig naman ako, grabe. Uy!
Uy, grabe.
I will let you borrow this.
Okay.
Okay, this is a borrow.
Guys, yeah.
So, I want you to, I want you to maximize this one. Nabasa ko na to twice eh. So, right
Grabe.
now, potentially, we're gonna be working together. So, I just want you to, you can write anything on it. Yeah.
Talaga, okay. Guys, grabe no? Grabe, kinikilig naman ako. Wait lang, papakita ko din sa vlog yung binigay mong cheese rolls. Ayan no? Grabe, galing pa sa Tagaytay talaga to.
Yeah, Antonio's.
Grabe.
Hello, boss.
So bumili kami ng cheese buns eh. Cheese rolls pala ang meron.
Pagkakita ko kanina, hala, nag-order sa ng chicken.
Bro, thank you talaga.
Yeah, of course, brother, of course.
Looking forward ako sa
Thank you,
long
brother.
term, bro.
Thank you, brother.
O sige na. Thank you so much.
Aangat tayo sabay.
Yeah.
Yes, si Patrick din. So, end natin yung vlog.
Okay.
Ano,
Thank
bro?
you very much, guys. Really had a great experience together with the team and looking forward for more. So, sobrang marami tayong magagawa together na amazing things together.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Okay, oy, card ha, baka
Okay.
ma-misplace.
Kami na bahala dito, bro.
Okay.
Update mo na lang kami kung...
Update me, para masabihan ko na nakapag-check out.
Bro, ingat kayo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much po. Bye-bye. That's it. Bro, what do you think?
That's it. Ha?
Grabe, no?
Grabe man.
Yan. Tapos na kami kumain at tapos na kami mag-shoot. Ito naman, gagawa ng thesis. Yan. Clutch. Working student. Ano naman gagawa ko ng script. Let's go!